We're walking the wire. Love. We're walking the wire. Love.
Hey guys, it is Jeff the Maintenance Man. Well, I was doing a little diagnostic thing, you know, blah blah blah. But our problem's over here. This was all corroded. I've already taken it apart, and I figured, yeah, I might as well make a video of this. This thermostat wire needs to be replaced, and here's the funny thing. I went to the shop to get thermostat wire. That's all I got. The spool is empty. Good times, good days. Tell you what, man. So I got the power turned off to the unit. The power turned off to the inside unit. What I'm gonna do is chop back some of the stuff. Chop back some of the stuff here. Oh, you know what? My light's on. Oh shit. Hold on. Alright, we'll be right back. As promised, we're right back. Alright. This make sure everything's going good. Alright. There we go. So I'm just gonna get rid of all this crap here. Got my little wire strippies. Just get rid of the old stuff. Click it out of the. Put some new stuff in. This unit is going to be replaced in a couple days because it's an old pain unit, pain in my ass unit. And so we're just gonna take all these and just cut them out. And just put color to color, basically. So just gonna cut all these wires out of here. Go. Alright, let me flatten all these out. I can probably strip them all in one go. Maybe. Sometimes this works, sometimes it don't. Well, I did 3 of them. Try the other ones. Nope. Damn. What the heck? All right. I think I got it set where I want it. Strip these and put the wire on it. Ought to do it. Ought to do it. Now we gotta strip these. It's going to the other side, but there's like little sections I don't even trust. Here, let me show y'all. The whole wire needs to be replaced, but like I said, I don't have the wire to do it right now. Look at that. There's some more up on the other thing, but I think this still has the insulation on it. This is definitely our problem that was here before with the corroded wires. So get y'all set up there. Okay. What I need to do strip each one of these, and we do 2 at a time. Yeah, that works. Maybe 3 at a time. Piece of insulation's in the way. Oh, nope, didn't lay flat. Lay flat, damn it. Alright, whatever. Uh-oh, too much. An adjustment really does make a difference. Too much. There we go. Perfect. All right. Next thing you got to do, these nuts. I don't know, I might be able to just put these together because, like I said, I'll come and replace the whole damn unit anyway, and they're gonna definitely replace the thermostat wire. They better. I'm gonna let them know that this thermostat wire is the problem. Well, it wasn't anything else but that. But this is just to get these guys by. You know, it's like 80 degrees right now, and it's 80 degrees in their apartment or their house. So yeah, I noticed that the reversing valve wasn't getting energized, and it has to be energized and cooling for it to work. This will get them by until they come and replace the unit. So there's no point in doing this really professionally. I've already called. I've already ordered the unit to be replaced. I'm just trying to get them by. That's all. My legs are sticking. And Jeff's getting old. Start making noises you never made before. Oh man, first AC call right here, guys, of the spring. Ends up being a unit replacement and a problem with the thermostat wire. Hopefully there's more cuts down this line, or it looks like cuts, but looks like it still has the insulation on it. So, oh, that one didn't strip. Tell you what, birds are tweeping. It's a pretty good day today. There's something in that damn box. I bet that's what's been eating up my damn cable. Probably a squirrel. Something like that. Yeah, that's why I brought these little blue nuts. These nuts.
These nuts. Ha! Got him!
Blue wire nuts.
Got him!
Gonna get them some AC today. And when they come, they'll replace this whole damn wire anyway, so. Not really a point in doing much of anything with it. Whew. Tad bit warm here in Jacksonville, Florida. Jacksonville, Florida is a little bit warm today. Alright. Ouch. And yes, I need that blue. That's my common. That common wire right there. Then I have that. It's just common to have it. No pun intended. Oh, darn it. That ain't gonna work. Hold on. I don't know why I brought so many orange wire nuts. I didn't know what size I needed, but these blue ones seem to work better than anything. Alright, so that's what we got, and what I'm going to do, these wire nuts are going to go straight up. This way when it rains, no, I could put tape on it or whatever, but like I said, this is just to get them by till the new unit comes in, maybe, probably Monday, to tell you the truth. Let me grab you guys, hold on. Yep, so we're gonna hook this back up to the orange wire here. Put our wire nuts back on. I'm just gonna hook this up and then turn on the unit, and hopefully everything works. We'll see here in just a second, so we'll be back. Okay guys, this little pain in the butt unit's running. It's an old one. It's a little old. The last repair I did on this, I had to evacuate it, and I had to braze the copper pipe right here. I didn't have a coupling to sit here and braze on a coupling, so I just brazed a little nick hole from a edger. That's the last repair I did on this, but so we got the wire nuts standing straight up so water doesn't get in them. She's still getting a new unit. This unit, I don't even know because the tags are gone. Just time to go. Time to go, buddy. There's my nuts. Y'all have a good one. There's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Guys, we fixed it. Woohoo! We're walking